Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to your first maths meeting of this week. Please make sure that you have something to write on and something to write with. If you do not have this equipment, please pause the video now and join us when you are ready. Okay, let's get started. Today, we are going to begin with our months of the year song. Please join in with me. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Good work! We're going to use our rhyme to help us complete our sentences about the days in different months of the year. Let's read our sentences together first. There are days in May. There are days in June. Please pause the video now. Use your rhyme to help you complete the sentences. Okay, let's check our answers. There are 31 days in May and there are 30 days in June. Good work, Year 2. We are going to find the total in Benny's bank. First, we can see that all of the coins in Benny's bank are the same, which means that they must have the same value. Can you identify the value of this coin? Well done, you have spotted that it is a 10p coin. Now you can add up the coins to find the total value. Good work. Now, can you please pause the video and complete the sentence with the total value? Great work. Let's do it together. First, we're going to add up the total. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Benny has 60p altogether. Well done. We are going to look at our multiples now, and today we are counting in tens. Everyone join in, please. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And back again, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Excellent work. Can you work out the pattern that are in the multiples of 10? I've highlighted it to help you. Well spotted, Year 2. You have noticed that in each multiple of 10, it ends with a 0 in the ones column. Let's have a work at using our knowledge of counting in tens and apply it to a number track. Can you please look at the sequence in our number track and spot the pattern? What is the pattern when you are looking at this number track? Well done, you've spotted that. We are counting in tens, just like we did on the previous page with our 100 square. Can you work out whether the numbers are increasing, which means they're getting bigger, or decreasing, which means the numbers are getting smaller? Well spotted. You've noticed that the numbers are getting smaller, which means they are decreasing. Can you please pause the video and find the missing numbers on our number track? Let's have a look together. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Good work, Year 2. We're going to look at some images now and work out how many we have all together. We're going to do the first one together. I want to know how many fish bowls there are. Are you going to count with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can complete my sentence. There are 5 fish bowls. How many fish are in each bowl? How many fish are all together? Please pause the video now and complete those 2 sentences. Well done. Let's work out how many fish are in each bowl. In this bowl there are 1, 2 fish. Let's check the rest. 2 fish in here, 2 fish here, 2 fish here, and 2 fish here. There are 2 fish in each bowl. Did you work out how many fish there are altogether? Remember, we don't need to count each fish individually, but we can count in twos. Let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good work. There are 10 fish altogether. Great work. Can you now make a multiplication equation which represents this picture? Remember, we just need to use the same numbers from our sentences before. Please pause the video now and write a multiplication equation. Well done, Year 2. You should have had the equation. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. As we know, there were 5 fish bowls, so 5 groups with 2 fish in each, which gave us a total of 10. We're going to move on to Patty place value now. I would like you to read the sentences along with me, and I'm going to give you some time to complete them. 10 more than 28 is. 10 less than 82 is. Please pause the video now and complete the sentences. Well done. The first thing you should have done for the first sentence is we had to identify 28 on our 100 square. Then, as we know we are looking for 10 more, do we need to count on 10 more? No, we know that we can just hop down our number line vertically and we land on 38. Let's say the sentence together. 10 more than 28 is 38. Now we're looking for 10 less than 82. So again, first we need to identify 82 on our 100 square. Do we need to count back 10 individually? No, we can just hop up vertically on our 100 square and we land on 72. Let's read our sentence together. 10 less than 82 is 72. Well done. Now we are moving on to know what Noah knows. There are 4 equations on the board. I would like you to use your knowledge of your number bonds to 10 and your number bonds to 100 to complete the 4 equations. Off you go. Let's check our answers. 80 plus 20 equals 100. Good work. If I know that 5 add 5 equals 10, then I know 50 add 50 equals 100. Let's use our knowledge of number bonds to 10 with our subtraction. If I know 10 subtract 8 equals 20, then I know 100 subtract 80 equals 20. If I know that 10 subtract 9 equals 1, then I know 100 subtract 90 equals 10. Good work, Year 2. Now we're going to move on to Shea Shapes. On the board, you will see some images of some 2D shapes. I am going to put a timer on for 1 minute, and I would like you to name as many 2D shapes as you can. Ready, go. Time's up. Let's see how many 2D shapes you were able to name correctly. First, we have a circle. Next, we have a rectangle. This shape is definitely a triangle. Over here, we have a oval. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. It must be a octagon. This shape has 4 sides. We know that's definitely a square. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. That shape has got to be a heptagon. Here we have a rhombus. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. It is a pentagon. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. We know it's a hexagon. And finally, we have a kite. Good work, Year 2. Shea says, I'm thinking of a 6-sided shape. All its edges are equal. What shape am I thinking of? Pause the video now and try and work out what shape Shea is thinking of. Well done. If you thought Shea was thinking of a hexagon. Hexagons always have 6 sides. Let's count and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good work, Year 2. Well done for your first maths meeting of this week, and we'll see you